What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I went ahead and ordered fuel injectors, as I mentioned last video. I got the fuel injectors. I thought I was paying for brand new fuel injectors, and I thought I would get 6. The ad said 6, and I didn't read the condition of the injectors, but whatever. But we got fuel injectors here. They're used. Unfortunately, they're remanufactured, but there's only 5. I have a 6-cylinder car, straight 6. I'm not sure why the dude would only send 5. And I'm not sure why you would sell used injectors. I thought I was paying for new, honestly. I thought I paid for new injectors. I didn't get it, but it's whatever. I'm gonna throw them in the car anyway, see where that lands us, and go from there. It is like 116 degrees out or some shit like that. So it's very hot. So I'm gonna try to move as quick as possible without making any mistakes, shit like that, whatever. And get this job done. We got, it's hot. We got the fuel rail on and buttoned down. Let's plug this back in. Let's put that air box back in just to be safe. And then we can go ahead and start it up. All right, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh God. Oh, it's hot in this car. It is so hot in here. All right, let's see. Will the car start and run normally? Oh my God, don't tell me the battery's dead. I know the issue. We didn't plug in that thing. Always check your stuff, guys. Always check your stuff. All right, now with that plugged in, we can go ahead and start it. Okay. Oh, wow. All right. All right. All right. Let's see how the revs sound. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. It's lit. Engine don't sound crazy anymore. Of course. There's fuel spilling everywhere. So I brought the car back in. It was way easier to drive in now that everything's good with the fuel and the spark and all that stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and reseat that injector because you clearly see it is pouring fuel. These are good. It's just that one, and the rest of them are good as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, retake apart this fuel rail and get that injector seated properly. Now that we're in the garage, I got access to power tools, more accessible rather than having to extensionize that whole thing. Yeah, I made the word up, but let's get this thing cracking. All right, part 2, we got everything buttoned down again. Let's turn it on, see if any leaks. Break up. Oh my God, it's hot in here. Something's leaking. All right, it's literally this one fucking injector, the same exact injector. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out for the older ones and then see where we're at, because this is honestly bullshit. All right, so I gotta chill in this AC, bro. But so far, revs look good. They're staying in one spot. Alright, I'm gonna go for a little drive in a bit, wait till this gets up to temp, and see how we do. Last time when I drove it, it didn't let me like rev all the way out while I was in gear. So hopefully that's gone. Well, I couldn't wait. It runs significantly better. I can rev it all the way out. Oh yeah, this is so much better now. Yes, sir. All right, so I was doing the thing again where if you notice last clip, the check engine light wasn't on. So now that it came back on, I can't rev it out anymore, and it's like, it's kind of like in a lit mode, kind of. So I just gotta find, so I ran codes, and it shows as fuel bank and an exhaust leak, as well as a possible MAF. All right, guys, it is the very next morning. So last night, out of curiosity, I went ahead, took the MAF out, and cleaned it with rubbing alcohol to see if it did anything. Then I took it on a little drive. It was late, so I couldn't really record much, but it ran significantly better. I took it literally all the way to the end of the community, back, not a single issue. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and get some gas. The nearest gas station is about maybe a mile and a half down the road. So altogether, it's going to be a 3-mile trip. Most of it is downhill going there, but coming back up is going to be uphill. So I'm going to get some gas because it needs gas. And when we get there, check over everything, make sure nothing's leaking, make sure nothing's like, no check engine lights, no none of that. All right. I hope I don't get stranded, yo. That would not be the best situation, I swear. Oh, God. All right, no check engine light. Let it get some heat in there real quick. RPMs, they seem good. I remember that light with my old E46. I would just always let it go. Like, you know what I mean? When it turns off, then I'll be good to go. But the RPMs look solid. I don't see any sort of fluctuation. But like I said, it does need gas, so we got to get some gas in this thing. Yes, sir. We made it to the gas station. Not a single issue. Not a single issue. That's great. That is so good. That is very good. All right, we got gas in the car. Let's head back home. We will be taking this out to dinner tonight. So I threw a little 15 in there, but let's get this thing home. All right, y'all, we have got it back to the crib. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna take it out tonight. Just gotta, you know, attach that bumper, throw the grill back on, and we can drive it around town, see what we're talking about, and then hopefully it does not get us stranded. We got AAA, so just in case AAA is needed, we got it. All right, we are about to take the E46 out. I went ahead and tightened up the bumper, put it back into its normal space, but we're gonna take the E46 out to dinner. It's about 20-30 minutes away downtown, so let's hope everything is good. All right, y'all, we made it. Car ran some codes, or it threw up some codes, but we made it. The welded diff does not really work well for parallel parking, but I made it work. We Gucci. Tints are crazy, though. All right, y'all, we made it back. Everything was Gucci. My girlfriend is closing the garage on me, but she got me sick. If I hit one of these, oh, guess not. Anyway, we made it back to the crib. Everything went very well, nicely. And it's all good. Though the welded diff is very hard to parallel park with, but we're good. Very good. Got my Supreme stuff. Very, very successful night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Got a cactus, but thank you guys so much for watching. It was a very successful night. We can finally start throwing mods at the BMW. And it may be this weekend, honestly. I'm thinking about getting the M3 fenders because these just don't do it for me. So hopefully. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.